Hey, welcome back. It's Corporate Executive Chef Bradley Darnell coming to you from Ramey Thurman's house, who opened his house up to host this nice little event for Father's Day. This is dedicated to all the fathers out there. Give them a nice, good day, whether you're going to have the better half cook this for you, or if dad's behind the grill, it's something easy for you to do too. Tell them what we're doing today.
I think we're taking some steak medallions, some filet medallions, and we're making a bourbon sauce with it. What dad doesn't want? Bourbon and steak. We're not doing hot dogs and burgers. We're doing steak medallions.
That's right. Steak medallions and a little bourbon cream sauce. We got some filet medallions here on the grill. They're just about done. They cook up really good. Get a nice little sear on both sides of those, salt and pepper them. And then we can move over to the sauce, which we're going to put some butter on there.
A lot of people overthink steak. Salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper.
Stay simple.
Easy.
Stay simple. All these
Easy.
Spices and rubs, and at the end of the day, when you're doing a filet, you want to use salt and pepper. Like, you want to get that beef taste. You want to.
Sometimes less is more, you know. So it's just one of those balances. Now, the bourbon, we're going to burn that alcohol part of that off to give it a nice deep flavor. This particular bourbon here has got like a smoky flavor to it.
Yeah, it's a smoke wagon, I think, is the brand.
Is that what it is?
Yeah,
it really gave it a nice flavor on it, especially with the beef and the cream and the fat kind of held that together there. So we're sauteing some stuff right now, and then we're just about ready to hit this with some bourbon to deglaze that pan. Now, I do want to warn you, be careful if you've never done this before. This stuff is flammable. I do want to tell you that, but it produces a good flavor. So you just put that in there a little bit, and it'll actually catch fire. It's burning all that alcohol off of there. You can probably hear that sizzle really well. And then we're going to hit it with a little bit of beef broth, just a tad. Just to kind of help that deglaze that a little bit. And then we're going to hit it with some cream. And all you got to do is just keep that nice and hot and just let that cook down. You'll see it bubbling up and let it thicken up. And then we're going to plate it we're going to plate it over the top. So it's kind of a smothered beef medallion. Yeah, like a bourbon cream, smothered bourbon cream medallions, I guess you'd say. So we'll just go ahead and start plating these up here while that thickens up. I like to plate in 3, Ramey. It's kind of odd numbers just seem to look better on a plate. You agree?
Like flowers, kind of like plants in landscaping. You got to do it in odd
Yeah,
numbers.
exactly. So this is still going here. Starting to thicken up. One of the best ways to tell if your sauce is done is you take the back side of a spoon and move it around into your sauce so you can see that line there. And if it stays there, that's a good consistency for it. So now that we got that cream and all that stuff done, we're going to go ahead and plate this up. We're going to go ahead and smother it with all this juicy, nice bourbon cream sauce here that Dad's going to love.
It's so simple. I mean, it's red peppers, onions, green bell peppers, and mushrooms. And the other 3 ingredients, little beef broth,
little beef
heavy
broth.
cream,
and
butter.
Yeah,
I mean,
a little bit of butter. I mean, it's just plain and simple. No, I would not get the peppers and onions like super soggy. You still want some bright, vibrant colors and crunchy too. I think it's time to put a little bit of garnish on here and take a bite of that. Ramey is a great taste tester, and he doesn't know what I'm about to do, but we're gonna feed Ramey.
Well, this is for Father's Day, so feed Dad.
We like to have fun here at Kohl Wholesale. If you like to pick up more stuff on our Instagram, you can follow me at Kohl Chef Brad for all the back of the scenes looks of recipes, how-tos, live videos, and question and answers. Hey, thanks for joining us for Father's Day this year. We hope you had a great time. We hope that Dad has a really great day with the food and all that stuff. And
after you feed Dad steak, remember, let him go golfing. Let him go golfing.
Let him go golfing. We'll see him on the golf course. See you next time.